This Valentine's Day, show your love with this delicious and heart-healthy breakfast. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, an alternative idea for Valentine's Day, an easy egg and black bean wrap. Valentine's Day doesn't have to be about candy. Start your sweetheart's day with this good-for-you breakfast. In a microwave-safe mug, mix up 2 Hy-Vee omega-3 eggs, a couple tablespoons of skim milk, a sprinkle of taco seasoning, then stir in some reduced fat shredded cheese. I love using the microwave for my eggs. No muss, no fuss. And it's fast. Only takes a couple minutes. And now for the tortilla. Watch closely for this cool little hack. Make a slit like this, then start adding your fillings. Think of the tortilla being divided in quarters and fill each of them with heart-healthy ingredients. Black beans for fiber to help lower cholesterol, some colorful bell peppers which pack a punch of vitamin C to help slow the buildup of plaque in arteries, some pico de gallo. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene to reduce cholesterol and inflammation, and then finally, the eggs. And now let's wrap this up. Simply fold your tortilla like this. So simple. You get all the ingredients in every bite. You can eat it just like this, or sear it on a griddle or a panini press for a crispy, toasted finish. What a great way to start your day and show how much love you have for your sweetie's heart. Start your journey to better heart health today. Visit Hy-Vee.com/health and connect virtually with your Hy-Vee dietitian to learn the basics of a heart-healthy diet.